In this video, I have explained the various kinds of C programs based upon arithmetic operators. Write a program to find sum of given two numbers. First, we need to write the header files. After that, void main, open bracket, close bracket. After that, open the floor base, which indicates the beginning of a main function. Then, we need to declare the variables. In this particular program, I require three variables and I declare them as of type int by writing int space a, comma b, comma sum is equal to 0, semicolon. After that, I will write clear screen, CLR, SCR, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon. After that, I will display a message to the user to enter two numbers. For that purpose, I will write printf, open bracket, double quotes, enter two numbers, slash and double quotes, close bracket, close semicolon. After that, to store the values whichever has been entered by the user to n variables, that is to assign the values to n variables. For that purpose, I will write a scanf function, scanf, open bracket, double quotes, %d, double quotes, close, comma, ampersand of a, comma, ampersand of b, bracket, close, semicolon. So whatever the values has been entered by the user, that will be stored in a and b respectively. Here I have written the control string as %d because a and b are the variables of type integer. Then we need to write the computation statement, it is a calculation statement. Sum is equal to a plus b, semicolon. Here, whatever the values has been entered by the user, this will be stored in a and b, and it will calculate the sum. When we write sum is equal to a plus b, and that value will be stored in a variable sum. Then I need to display the user a message of the sum of two numbers, that is the output. For that purpose, I will write printf, open bracket, double quotes, slash and sum of two numbers is equal to %d, double quotes, close sum, bracket, close, semicolon. So here it will display sum of two numbers is equal to. After that, where I have written %d, in that place it will display the value which has been stored in the variable sum. After that, get ch. After that, close the main, which indicates the end of the main program. When we run that particular program, the output will be in this manner. It will ask the user to enter two numbers. If I enter the value as 10, 5, it will give the result as sum of two numbers is equal to 15. This is the way the output will be displayed. Write a program to find division of given two numbers. First, write on the header file hash include within the angle bracket stdio.h, hash include within the angle bracket conio.h, void main. After that, open the brace, then declare the variables. I am declaring here two variables of type integer. For that purpose, I have written int space m, comma n, semicolon. Another one variable I require to store the division value, and I will declare that variable of type float space div equal to 0, semicolon. Here I have initialized the value of div to 0. Whatever the value we are going to get after division, that will be stored in the variable div. After that, clear screen, CLR, SCR, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon. Then I will assign the values to the variable m and n by writing m is equal to 11, semicolon, n is equal to 2, semicolon. In the previous program, I have used the printf and the scanf statement for the purpose of reading the values and displaying a message to the user, whereas in this case, I am directly assigning the values to the variables. Previous program is called as a dynamic program, whereas this one is called as a static program, because in the previous program, how many times we are going to run, in those many times it will ask the user to enter the values. Based upon that, the output will vary, whereas in this particular program, if you run 10 times also it will display the same result. If you run for 100 times, it will display the same result, because it is not going to change. That is called as a static program. Then we need to write the calculation statement, that is div is equal to open bracket, float, close bracket, m divided by n, semicolon. This is needed because m and n are type of integer, and when we divide a number, most of the cases we'll get an decimal part is a fractional part. For that purpose, to store the fractional values also, we need to convert an integer to an float type. For that purpose, I have converted integer to float. Here the value of m is 11, whereas n is 2. 11 divided by 2 will be 5.5, whereas if you won't write float over there, it will store the value as 5, truncating the decimal part. Since we want to have even the fractional part also, that is the decimal part. So we need to convert an integer variable to a float variable, or else we need to declare all the three variables to a type of float. Then so here 11 by 2 will be equal to 5.5 and that will be stored in div. Then we need to display the result. For that purpose, printf bracket open double quotes slash and division of two numbers is equal to percentage of double quotes close comma div bracket close semicolon. After that get ch open bracket close bracket semicolon. After that close the main by writing and closing flower brace. Here I have written float within the brackets before the variable m, because to convert an integer variable m to an float, so that I get the result in terms of an including the decimal as well as the number, that is the integer as well as the decimal fractional number, that is the integer part as well as the decimal part. For that purpose I am converting m to a type float, or else you can declare all m, n and div of type float and you can write the program. Then this type of conversion is not required. This is how the output will appear when we execute this particular program. In this particular program I have initialized the value of m and n. Instead of that, you can display a message to the user to enter the values, and you can read the values by using printf and scanf statement, how we have done in case of program of finding a sum of two numbers. In the same way also we can write the program, but to make sure that you learn all the concepts clearly, I have just differentiated. In the previous program I have read from the keyboard, whereas in the second program, that is the division of two numbers, I have initialized the values. Write a program to calculate area of n square. First write down the header files. After that void main open bracket close bracket. After that open the floor base which indicates the beginning of a main. Then in this particular program I require two variables. One is the side, another one is an area, because the formula to find the area of n square is area is equal to side square, that is side into side. For that purpose I require only two variables, one is the area, another one is the side, and I declare them of type float by writing float space side comma area is equal to 0 semicolon, and have initialized the value of an area to 0. Then clear screen clr scr open bracket close bracket semicolon. Then I need to display a message to the user to enter the value of an side of n square. For that purpose I write printf open bracket within the double quotes enter side of n square slash n semicolon. Then we need to read a value which has been entered by the user. For that purpose scanf open bracket double quotes percentage f double quotes close comma ampersand outside bracket close semicolon. So whatever has been entered by the user, that will be stored in a variable side. After that we need to write a computation statement or a calculation statement, that is a formula area is equal to side into side semicolon, and note here the multiplication symbol is an asterisk. So now it will calculate the area and it will be stored in a variable called area. After that we need to display the result. For that purpose printf open bracket double quote slash and area of square is equal to percentage f double quotes close comma area bracket close semicolon. So here it will display area of square is equal to, in the place of percentage f it will display the calculated value of an area, get ch open bracket close bracket semicolon. After that closing floor base which indicates the end of an main. The output of this program is, first it will ask the user enter side of n square, that is this particular message will be displayed. If I enter 1.1, then it will display area of square is equal to 1.21 followed by 4 zeros. The next program is write a program to calculate area of a circle. First write down the header file hash include within the angle bracket stdio.h hash include within the angle bracket conio.h. Then declare a symbolic constant by writing hash define space pi space 3.142, and there is no semicolon at the end of this particular definition, and it is called as a symbolic constant. Pi is a symbolic constant. Wherever we are writing a pi, it will be replaced with the value 3.142. And next write down void main open bracket close bracket. After that open the for brace. Then I require two variables. I will be declaring them as a float variable by writing float space r comma area equal to 0 semicolon. I have initialized the value of an area with the value 0. Then clear screen CLR SCR open bracket close bracket semicolon. Then I will ask the user to enter the value of an radius. For that purpose I will use the formatted output function printf by writing printf open bracket double quotes enter radius of a circle slash and double quotes close bracket close semicolon. Then I need to read the value in a variable r. For that purpose whatever has been entered by the user should be stored in a variable r. For that purpose I will write scanf open bracket double quotes percentage f double quotes close comma ampersand of r bracket close semicolon. After that we need to do the calculation, that is a computation statement, that is by writing a formula. We know the area of a circle is pi r square and we can write area is equal to pi into r semicolon. After that we need to display the result, that is the area of a circle. For that purpose I will write printf open bracket double quotes slash and area of circle is equal to percentage 4.3f double quotes close comma area bracket close semicolon. So here it will display area of a circle is equal to, where I have written percentage 4.3f. In that place it will be replaced with the value of an area. After that get ch open bracket close bracket semicolon. After that close the flower wave, that is write down the closing flower wave which indicates the end of an main. The output of the program is, first it will display a message to the user, enter radius of a circle. Then the user, if they enter 2, then upon calculation it will display area of a circle is equal to 12.568. It is displaying only 3 digits after the decimal point because we have written percentage 4.3f. If you have written only percentage f, then it is to display 12.568000. That is, it is to display 3 zeros after 568 because the floating point precision will be up to 6 digits. Since we want to display only a 3 digits after the decimal point, we have written percentage 4.3f. Click on like and subscribe button.